Ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Hadien ke India kelara ikan amla adu ha ke Asia Cup. Daga penlim ke Pakistan ha ke final. Umin dirang ba adu ke Riu Narendra Modi ulang ba ke kun final ha pedeng ke India bat ke Pakistan. Ha Dubai kelong thik kum ke Operation Sindoor ha ke ba ke Jingjop ke Lecha ke India. Modi ulah tho ha ke ex account jong u da ke baong ba ke dei ke Operation Sindoor ha madan nyelek kai ba ke result ke dei ke jo kata ke Jingjop ya ke India. Modi ulah ai kublai kerpang ke kirang nyelek kai kriket ke India. Lor kena Jingjop jong kari. Kuman cupen kan mau hang ni, ba ke Operation Sindoor, kena jing her thma ke India haktam ke liano Pakistan, hadi ke jing Shah her thma kensan kino jong kai hapa helgam. Ha kena final jong ke Asia Cup ke India kala job ya ke tos, bat ke jet ban kawang bol Shua, bat habatit ningkong ke Pakistan, kala bentit tang Shispa sapun run, bat hab barok ki wicket, bat hababe ya ke thong ke India, kala ben pendap hapo akar po over, haga bau Tilak Verma berarti drip kendairan bat ulayo kanam player of the match kat bau Abhishek Sharma pad ubla lek kai bha ke jing lek kai kibla lek wala umla ban lek kai bha ke final ndre ulayo kanam player of the tournament ke president Jongri ke Deputy Murmu kala ai kuble lingba ke ex ya ke ken ho lek kai jong ke India.
Hello everyone, this is Dr. Madan Kumar, working as an associate professor in Christian Medical College, Vellore, in Pediatric Respirology Department. My main treatment would be with pediatric lung disorders such as asthma, recurrent chest infection, and then recurrent cough. So the importance of this is if you diagnose it first and if you treat it properly, long term the child will have a normal life. If you are not going to treat the child properly, what happens is the quality of life of the child decreases. That is manifested like not studying properly, not playing properly, and not behaving properly. So when we try to treat these things, the respiratory infections properly, most of the times they get better and have a good quality of life. So I am here to screen the children who have respiratory problem. I will be available in Dr. H. Gordon's Robert Hospital from October 1 to October 15 between 10 to 1 p.m. Thank you.